Air pollution. Air pollution is coming in vehicles, burning gases. Industry is air. So that's pollution that comes in air pollution. Sound pollution. Sound pollution is
వాటర్